Hey guys, I'm going to help you remember how to use the Galileo webpage for some study prep for your students. So what we want to do is first we want to log in to Galileo through your Clever. If you try and just go to the Galileo website, it's not going to work real good. So I'm logging into Clever. And then I'm going to go to the Galileo website and log in that way. So once you're here, you want to go to the test builder, and you can go ahead and just select any class you want to. It really won't matter. And then select a library. There you go. And now you are ready to create a new test with whatever options you're doing. Now you don't have to use these as a test. You could use it like a worksheet just to help the students practice and get ready to go. Entering a title right here will really help you remember what's there in case you need to come back to it later. So I'm going to call mine proportions and choose math and 7th grade. Time to go. Now it'll take you to this page right here where you are going to choose a standard. Okay, so I'm going to go in, I'm going to find math because I'll be using good old 7th grade math for my example. It's usually best not to click multiple, but to just choose one for now, and then we'll move on. Okay, so I'm going to choose the first unit rate. And then I'm going to search the database right here for questions in that item bank. Now in this item bank, these are questions that will be something like what your kids are going to see. So you will click a few of them that you want to practice together as a class, and you will just click the plus button on a few of these. I'm not going to take too much time right now. I'm just going to click 5 of them. Okay, and then they will be showing up on this side over here. As you can see, I've got 5 questions and we're ready to go. I can mix them around if we want. They can be reordered. That's fine. Now that I'm done choosing items, I'm going to scroll back up to the top and I'm going to click Publish Test. What this means is that it is now available for you to be using, and you can schedule it for them to use online, or you can print it so you can go over it like a worksheet for your students. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at scheduling the test just to show you what that's like. So you'll need to pick your class, and there is unfortunately no way to just mass select all of them. You will have to do it one at a time. Sorry. Okay, then you'll come down here and you'll choose what dates to have it available. I do suggest having it open for a few days just in case you have students absent. And if you don't want them to access it outside of your class time, make sure you limit the range. Or if you're okay with them doing it at home, okay, have it available all day. That's fine. Okay, if there's a test limit, you can do that. And you can include a calculator if you want them to have a calculator, allow speech, additional settings. The password is if you really want to make sure they're going to take this only in your class, then create a password that you will give out in class only and work on it. Or you don't need one if that will make your life easy. And then you click Save, and then you are ready to go. Ta-da! And that is how you use the Galileo Test Builder to create some practice for your students for this upcoming test season. Good luck!